Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with a rice cooker. First, measure your rice precisely using the cup that came with your appliance. For example, 1 cup of uncooked rice usually yields about 3 cups cooked. Next, rinse the rice under cold water until it's clear, then place it into the inner pot. Finally, add the appropriate amount of water. For most white rice, a 1-to-1 ratio with the rice is ideal. Once your rice and water are in, securely close the lid and choose the correct setting for your rice type, like white rice or brown rice. Then, simply press the start button. The cooking cycle typically lasts between 20 and 30 minutes for white rice. Your rice cooker will automatically transition to a keep warm mode when it's finished, ensuring your rice stays hot and ready to serve. After the cooking cycle completes, it's crucial to let the rice rest on the keep warm setting for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly textured grains. Next, gently fluff the rice with a paddle or fork to separate the individual grains. Now, your delicious, fluffy rice is ready to be served and enjoyed as a wonderful accompaniment to any meal. Beyond basic white rice, feel free to explore other varieties like brown rice or wild rice, adjusting water ratios as needed. For extra flavor, try adding a pinch of salt, a pat of butter, or even vegetable broth instead of water. Many rice cookers also feature a steam basket, perfect for simultaneously steaming vegetables or proteins. Remember to clean your appliance regularly for consistent, excellent results every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.